Hello everyone, my name is Django. This is my project for CS50 WEB programming with Python and JavaScript. In my project, my application includes all required modules. Okay, my listing, my class listing, my class bed, my class comments. Create listing. Okay, I click on click to see the page, the website. Okay, I can log out for login. I log in now. I'll type my name, Junior. I'll type my password. Okay. I click on login. This works. Okay. When user is login, they can create a new auction clicking by create listing. Okay. Okay. Create listing in French. Say créer une annonce. Is créer une annonce. Okay. I can click on this link. Okay. In this page, the user can enter a title, a description, a starting video, and optional image and category. Okay. Active listing page. Active. I can click on this link. Active listing page in French is annonce active. The home page displays all active listings. There are three products: title, description, price, image. Listing page. On the listing detail page, you can see all information about that item. Its title, description, image, current, ISB, category, and creator. If you are logging in, you can add or remove. If I click on detail, I can closing action. 5. Closing action. If you are the creator of the listing, you will see a closing action. Closing action. There's closing action. In French, fermer la share. I can click. Okay. Congratulations, your action is closed. Okay. 6. Comment. I can add a comment. Okay. 12. Okay. I click add. I will see this comment in blue. Okay. Okay. You see this comment in blue, in the background blue. 7. Watchlist. I can click on watchlist to see my products. Okay. Watchlist to see my product. 8. Category. I can see on category to see the different of category. The category is different. Okay. I can see an administration also to see my database. Okay. Listing. Okay. Listing. Birds. Comment. I can click on add to modify. Okay. This is why my CS50 project. Thank you. Ciao.